All right, so our vocabulary skill this week is called dictionary. And I was just talking to some of the other teachers and we were kind of laughing at how dictionaries aren't even used a whole lot anymore because we have so many resources like Google and Alexa and Siri, and you could just say, Alexa, tell me what crop means, which is pretty neat. I don't know if you can hear, Alexa is answering me in our classroom. Okay, but it is important that you still know what a dictionary is and how to use it. So a dictionary is a giant book of words, and you can see this one says Children's Dictionary. And when you open it up, it has all kinds of words. Pretty much all the words in the English language are contained in here. And the cool thing about a dictionary is that it tells you what words mean. It tells you what part of speech it is, and it tells you how to pronounce it in case it's a word you're not totally sure of. So if you look up here, I went ahead and wrote down one of our vocabulary words from next week so that you can see what a definition looks like. So right here is our word. That's the first part. And usually the word is in bold letters or a little bit darker. And then you'll have something in parentheses. And this is the pronunciation. And a lot of times the pronunciation, which is just how to say a word, it's got kind of strange things. Can you see the dots over that O? That's just telling me that it's a short vowel, and I would say ah instead of O. So you don't have to worry too much about that, but it's useful for some words. And then this is the part I really want you to note. Then you'll have a word right here, and that's the part of speech. So that tells me, what is it? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it an adjective? And it tells me what the word is. So if I'm talking about the word crop, I know that it's pronounced crop, and it's a noun. That means it's a person, a place, or a thing. And then after those things, then it gives you the definition. And the definition is just what a word means. So the definition of crop is a farm product grown to be harvested, often for food. So kind of like we talked about last week, a crop is something that a person grows for food. So in your reading book, if you pick up your reading book and go all the way to the very back, you have to turn past all these pages. You have something in the back, and they call it a glossary, but a glossary and a dictionary are very similar, okay? A glossary means that it just has words from your story. It doesn't have all the words in the world, just the words from our story. And you can see they're not even regular page numbers. It's G2, G3, and G stands for glossary. But you can see all these words are right here, and it's set up just like I told you. Crop, how to pronounce it, it's a noun, and then the definition. So when we finish with this video, you are going to have a little job, and it is to look up 3 of our vocabulary words in the glossary and tell me what the glossary definition is. All right.